In front of me is REALME GT7 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Then scroll all the way down and when you're ready, click on Google. Then hit All Services over here. Scroll down again and choose Autofill with Google. Now you need to tap Google Password Manager and select any password you wish to edit by clicking on it. Enter your current login method. Hit Edit button over here and change whatever you want to. When you finished, to discard your changes, click on this X at the top left corner. To save them, select Save at the top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!